OTT is short for over-the-top video content. It is streaming content offered to users on the internet. But did you know that the term also refers to video ads featured in online streaming? We're from OTT Advisors, and today we'll tell you everything you need to know about Amazon OTT and how it is a new mode of video advertising designed to increase your brand's reach on Amazon. Amazon OTT advertising appears before, during, and after video content. The technology relies on Amazon's demand-side platform, or DSP, to reach users through Fire TV and Prime Video. Amazon OTT can showcase ads catered to a user's unique tastes and interests. Such ads are not always skippable and are typically played till the end, which is a great way to reach a captive audience. Both Amazon first-party and third-party sellers are eligible to use OTT ads. It just depends if you have the budget for it. The main advantage of Amazon OTT is that it lets you choose where and when to advertise. Plus, you'll only spend based on your ad's performance. This way, you'll reap the most out of your OTT ads. Happy selling, and follow OTT Advisors for more Amazon selling tips.